Hey dear story lovers, your Miss Catty is here with a beautiful folklore today. The story of very famous Jayadeva and Padmavati, who were devoted in love. Jayadeva was the divine poet of Gita Govinda, lived in Kenduri. Deeply devoted to Lord Krishna, his verses followed with love and surrender. His wife Padmavati was a temple dancer, and both of them shared bhakti with unwavering faith. One day, Jayadeva hesitated to write a line where Krishna touches Radha's feet. Leaving the poem incomplete, he stepped out. In his absence, Lord Krishna appeared in Jayadeva's form and completed the verse. When Jayadeva returned, he realized divine grace had written through him, and his wife Padmavati confirmed what she saw. Their lives reflected devotion between husband and wife and towards Lord Krishna. Their bond inspires Odia dance and poetry even today, and we still remember Jayadeva and Padmavati with a lot of love. For more such amazing stories, do like and subscribe, Miss Catty.